Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's day 3 and today we are off to Reynisfjara beach, and there's one more falls and a lighthouse. I'm wearing sunglasses because it's really sunny. Literally, like, I'm in front of the window and it's so bright. Today is so beautiful, which is, we're so blessed that we're given this kind of weather because it's been gloomy the last few days, but this is Iceland. It is what it is. But today we're grateful that it's beautiful outside. So yeah, we'll take you along with us on our day 3 in Iceland. And if you are new to my channel, hey, my name is Jane. I'm a new YouTuber from Boston. But anyway, without further ado, let's hit the road. Arrived at Vic. It's so pretty. We're at the church, the top of the hill right now. Let me show you the view. It's amazing. Here you go. So cool. So we're on our way to the church right there. Hey guys, we made it to the charming coastal town of Iceland, which is known for its black sand beaches. So we're currently in front of the church. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I will just add in the caption, but here is the view. We're gonna head to Reynisfjara beach, which is that way, where those rocks. So yeah, it's so pretty here. Our quick visit at Vic, so we're headed now to Reynisfjara beach, which is known as the Black Sand Beach. So it's about 12-minute drive from here. So we just take the viewpoint, take some pictures from the viewpoint of the church in Vic. So, which you already probably seen. But anyway, let's go to our next stop. We made it. We're at Reynisfjara Beach. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a black sand beach. It's our second stop for the day. We're just gonna do a quick pic of the beach and then we're gonna head to our next destination. But yes, let's go. Here is Reynisfjara Beach, our second stop of the day from Vic. So we drove about 15 minutes. We get lost or we missed the turn, so it took us about 25, but that's okay, we still made it. So behind me is all the cascade stones right by the mountain. I don't know if you can see it from the video. I'm gonna head there next, but I just want to show you the water. And as you can see, it's a black sand beach. There's Louis. There you go. And then this is what's in front of me right now. There's a lot of people like going around or like laying on the sand or gravel. It's not even sand, it's gravel. Like, it's not comfortable. And then here is that. Our third stop, we are at Waterfalls, and it did not disappoint. It's so pretty. Look at that. Current of the water looks so powerful. I can feel the mist from here. I am surely not dressed appropriately for this. I'm gonna get wet for sure, but it'll be worth it. So pretty. So what do you think? Is it good? Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, I'm not too brave to stand in the rocks in the middle of the falls, so sa side lang ako. Basta may ebidensya na pumunta ako dito. Anyway, ang ganda niya. So ganda. I've been saying the word beautiful all day. Actually for 3 days now. That's amazing. We're walking away from Falls. That was totally worth it. We're headed now to the next one, Falls. So we'll see you there. Guys, welcome back to another day in Iceland. It's our last day. Kind of sad because it's very short, but it was so meaningful and we had some amazing time with every day trips that we did. So today is our last day. We're currently in Berlin, which is amazing. I highly recommend you visit it if you only have a short day or short travel week. I would definitely do this maybe on your last day or your first day, but definitely don't miss it. I'm currently in the top floor, our observation deck. Let me show you what I'm looking at. It is so pretty. Like, you'll see the church right in there. We're staying like around this side here. So this is our current view right now. So we're at the observation deck. Last night we were so tired that we're not able to do an outro for the vlog, but yes, we had an amazing time at Foss. I can't pronounce it, but yeah, it was worth it. So this is the observation deck of Berlin. Looks like ellipses. And let's go around. You'll see the other side of Iceland. This is more like a 360 observation deck. Let me tell you what you're looking at anyway, because you have all this sign here. But obviously you can read it, but we can't pronounce it. Very challenging. It's all good. Last day today, so we'll still take you along with us, but we haven't had breakfast. We woke up late, so we will see you maybe after lunch or late breakfast or brunch, but anyway, so yeah, I'll see you in a bit. To the fifth floor and get some coffee and something to eat a little bit before lunch. It's actually lunch hour, but we're probably going to go back to the city center to serve the lunch there instead. So yeah, we still have to watch the Aurora Borealis show downstairs at the planetarium. So we're just waiting for catching a little break.
latte is the big one. That one. Our order have arrived. Cappuccino and latte. And we got it from this coffee shop here on the fence. To leave. It was amazing. It's a great show. Not show, museum, expedition. Or exhibition. Not expedition. But yeah, that was highly recommended. Must visit. We left Berlin Museum and now we're trying to grab some lunch and we'll end up at Lemmer Mathel Food Hall. They have some interesting statue here too. Here. So this is the food court we're going. Sexy. So we are at Lemmer, like a food hall. I will just add the name in here. We ordered some Vietnamese food because I miss rice. So yeah, we're waiting for our order. I don't know how much it came up to, but we're hungry, so we're just gonna eat. Don't worry about the price. But here's our view right now. So